Helen, we are in. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today it's travel vlog day. First time I've been on a plane, believe it, in over 6 months. Haven't been anywhere in a while. Haven't been out of Louisiana in over 6 months, so really excited. Getting ready to go to Helen, Georgia, meet a lot of fun creators. First time I've been to the airport in New Orleans in a little bit over a year. Last several flights I'm taking out of Baton Rouge. Decided to take this one out of New Orleans because there was no way possible I could fly to Baton Rouge on American, use my points, and make it in time to be able to make it to Helen, you know, for the meet up at 2 o'clock at the Das Ice, where we're gonna have some spaghetti ice. So started off right here in New Orleans at the airport, first time in a while. We're gonna catch a flight to Charlotte and then Atlanta, and we'll get there around 11 o'clock, get the rental car and head to Helen. So follow along, let's go, get the party started. Hey folks, it's a little bit after 4 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, the airport's pretty packed out. I'm actually shocked that there's so many people this early in the morning, but flying out early in the morning, so we'll see how this works out. All right, we're gonna go downstairs to the all gates. Pretty good line down there. I didn't notice TSA pre-check on my, should be there because it's on my known traveler number. The line looks pretty there, so yeah, it's a long line. I'm a little surprised how many people in the morning getting ready to fly out today. Completely honest with you, that's a long line down there getting ready to board. So yeah, I'm getting ready to board this plane. I think we start boarding in like 20 minutes, so I really need to be able to get through this TSA pre-check line. So just so y'all know, I got absolutely lucky. I got lucky that they had a mechanical issue with the little bag thing that puts the bags under the plane, because they wouldn't let me in the TSA pre-check. So lesson learned, if you have TSA pre-check, you still need to make sure it's on your ticket. It wasn't on my ticket, so they wouldn't let me through the line, so I had to go through the long line, and I ended up getting through the line after the plane had already boarded and probably was supposed to take off. But I got fortunate because I got through the line and they let me on the plane no problem, because they had a mechanical issue with the little thing to transport the bags onto the plane. So if not for a mechanical issue, I would have missed my plane. So I definitely got lucky right here. Thank God. I think I'm okay on my connection time. So connection time, I think I got like 30 minutes before connection. I gotta walk a little ways though. They're saying 14 minutes to gate E, but I think we're gonna be okay. Funny, over 6 months without a travel vlog day video, without flying, I feel like I'm rusty at this, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's been so long. It's been a wild, crazy morning, and it's only like 8 in the morning. Still got to get this one more flight to the ATL, pick up the rental, and drive another hour and a half to Helen. And we are headed to E Gate for Travel Adventures with Eric B. pick up this rental car first. Been to this airport before, but I don't think I've ever vlogged Hartsfield, so kind of cool. Once again, going no check bag, strictly carry on and book sack, because I don't have to worry about the baggage. It's a pain in the butt. And anything yet on rental cars, but generally it's in the same area. Generally when you start seeing like the ground transportation and all of that, usually it's in that area, I feel. I get in the rental, but whatever the situation may be, I gotta get some breakfast this morning. I'm starving before I get on my way to Helen to try that spaghetti ice. Artwork in the airports. I always love to see artwork anywhere. You know me, you know I love art. So, very cool, very cool. Very impressive oil painting right there.
We're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're...
It takes me forever to do anything. When I see little cool stuff like this, I have to stop and look at it. World War II warcraft. Aircraft, I should say. There's no way I could not vlog that. Yeah. Come on, people. Come on, look at that. There's no way I can just walk right past that. You know this, man. ATL. Got a couple videos on ATL. Want y'all go check it out. So drop a card right here. Order at the airport. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. There it goes again. See the sign again. And it opened up my eyes. Hey, looks like I don't even have to catch, well, you gotta catch the air train to get there. Never mind. Yeah. I think I've heard of all of these airlines except one. Guess which one I've never heard of? Anyone ever flew them before? To Avis, says level 3 downstairs. Like a million rental car places. I'm looking at on the bottom floor under me. There's like Budget and Six and Ace and a couple ones I never heard of. There's so many rental car places here, so we're gonna look for Avis. Like there's Avis right back there. Avis line is long. Long. Hard for it. I'm tempted to just go to another rental car service and with a shorter line. I did this in Boston and just rent a car from there if I can get one offline. I'm tempted to do it. The line's just too long. Crazy long line. Crazy long. Now Hertz has a shorter line, but I wondered if I could go find availability, or even Six down there. They have like nobody in line. I'm gonna go online on my app and see if I can find availability going online. So both Hertz and Six are booked up when I tried online. So I'm thinking, and if I knew Atlanta a little bit better, I probably would just go in and book one at a different location, take the mortar from the airport and get there and pick it up that way, and it would be cheaper, because you always pay more money at the airport, but because I don't know the city that well, I'm not going to do that. So I went to Alamo, so I did an oop-de-oo. You know what I mean? I did Avis the whole time. Avis, we saw how long the line was. Decided to do a little switch. Got in and out of the line about 5 minutes. And I'm not going to get charged with Avis. I don't really recommend everyone do it like that. If you do Priceline and all that kind of stuff when you book and you don't pay at the time, if you don't pick up the rental, you're not getting charged for it. So you can always kind of switch up and go do someone else. So that's another lesson learned for people that may not know. You're not obligated to who you signed up for if you didn't already pay. So if you don't already pay, you can't switch. So Alamo, you did save the day. Go down to row 1 and take anything I want off of row 1. The keys are in the car, so we'll see what I get. What about this little Nissan available, but this thing is tiny. I don't know. This thing's tiny. This is available. I got the economy, but these aren't too bad looking to say that Versa is like the bottom of the barrel for a Nissan. Those aren't bad looking cars right now. They're a lot better than they used to be. I think we're gonna go with the Nissan Sentra. I'm kind of used to driving Nissans. I'm thinking this is what I'm gonna go with. Rental car that's in Spanish. I'm trying to figure out how to get it back to English, but it's stuck in Spanish. So unfortunately, there's no way I can make it for 2 o'clock for the ice cream or spaghetti ice. Hopefully, I'll still get to try it because I'm desperate to try that spaghetti ice. But yeah, it's right now it's 12:36 and it's saying that I got over 2 hours of driving to do. When initially I looked at it and said it was an hour and a half. I don't know what happened with the GPS. I don't know if there's a wreck somewhere. Or when I signed in the GPS, all of a sudden it said I had almost 3 hour drive. When earlier I looked at it and it said an hour and a half. You talk about a bummer. We are getting close to Helen. You see the mountains ahead. It is beautiful here in northeast Georgia. Well, that's it right ahead. That's the Alpine Village Inn. Hey now folks, we're on the grounds of the Alpine Village Inn. Made it to the hotel, so that's all folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace. And travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community.